Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, my name has changed again, I think for the last and final time. Well wishes. That's right, I changed it because okay, this is a grocery haul, but I gotta let y'all know what's going down. Since I got sick, I have been in and out of my dang senses, and this virus is no joke. It takes stuff from you. It leaves it leaves some side effects and all that old mess. Now they got this new stuff out, Nora, stomach flu, everybody's sick. It's a mess. If some of you guys ain't got sick with this mess, it's a blessing. Or you ain't experienced no side effects or whatever, that's a blessing. But make sure you take care of you and your family, because this virus stuff ain't no joke. So I did an online changing from good to bad. All I know is I just want to let y'all know that side effects are real. Okay, that's the name change for a majority of my channels. Okay, so this is an online Sam's Club grocery haul. Now I got a few items up here, more stuff on the floor I gotta wipe down and sanitize, because I ain't taking no chances. I see a lot of folks when they show their grocery hauls, it go from the bag to the refrigerator. Hell no. I'm wiping that stuff off. I don't know who boogery, snotty, loogies, meaning mucus, hands touch the product. I gotta wipe it down. That's why it's good when you get stuff that you gotta cook, and the heat kills most stuff. Well, the heat's supposed to kill stuff when you cook it. But anyway, say a prayer over your vegetables and stuff that can't be cooked, and you gotta eat it raw. But anyway, let's get on with this dang haul. You see in the back, I got an 8-pound family size pack of Ore-Ida French fries, golden crinkle fries. And that remind me, I have to rearrange my freezer to put this stuff in here, because I got some meat that I'm going to turn into patties that I got a big batch prep, so that so the family can have a burger whenever they feel like it. Just go in the freezer, take a burger out and can cook it. Simple as that. So that's why it's so convenient to prep and big batch your food. Meaning if you get a big bag or a package or something, you can break it down in several servings or one serving. It's so convenient that way. But anyway, we got the fries. I got some lettuce back there. 2. I only need 1, but you know when you get the big store, shop at these big old box stores, you get the bulk size stuff. So I got 2 iceberg lettuce by Taylor Farms. Y'all know Taylor Farms got them good salads. So I got 2 iceberg lettuce. They look nice and fresh too. And also got some hamburger buns. I thought they was gonna be bigger, but these look nice and fresh. It got on here till the 26th or something. But we're gonna have probably some hamburgers tomorrow. Just the lettuce, didn't get to tomato, but I do got ketchup. They got it on sale, $8. These were cheaper before the hiked up prices. So I got 9 bottles of ketchup. You only see 3 up here because I'm tired, and I'm only putting up here what I can put up here for now, because I got to put the rest of the stuff, I'm going to share it up here. And I also got the Member Mark, which is Sam's Club Nan bread. You get like 2, 4, it's 6, look like 6. It's like 10, but I only see 2, 4, 6. Maybe it's some smaller ones in there. 10 pack. Y'all had this? Let me know in the comments. This is 2.2 pounds. And we also got back here in the cut, we got some yeast dinner rolls. Them things taste so good. I gotta watch this bread, y'all. I gotta watch this bread since I've been messed up. Since that virus took me out, I've been eating some bread. And so therefore the yeast dinner rolls, 24, they was only $3.98. I forgot. I know y'all probably want some prices, but I ain't got my receipt on me. in the phone. I guess you could do it that way. But anyway, hold on, y'all. I got to put the rest of this stuff up here.